Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to draw an Audi RS6 crash using an easy method. We'll begin by establishing the fundamental shape of the car. Think of it as building a foundation. Use light, loose lines to sketch a rectangular base, then refine it into the distinctive silhouette of the Audi RS6. Don't worry about perfection at this stage. Focus on getting the overall proportions correct. This initial step is crucial for a balanced final drawing. Now, let's bring the crash to life by adding specific damage details. Use jagged, broken lines to represent crumpled metal and shattered components. Imagine the force of the impact and how it would deform the car's structure. Focus on areas like the front bumper, hood, and side panels. A few strategically placed cracks on the windshield and some scattered debris will significantly enhance the realism of your drawing, making it look truly dynamic. With the damage outlined, it's time to add depth and dimension through shading and texture. Use varying degrees of pressure to create darker shadows in the deepest parts of the crumpled metal, giving it a three-dimensional appearance. Employ techniques like cross-hatching to suggest the texture of the car's body and broken glass. Don't forget to add subtle reflections on any undamaged surfaces to maintain a sense of realism. A little dust and dirt can also enhance the scene. For our final slide, we'll refine the drawing and add those crucial finishing touches. Carefully erase any initial sketch lines that are no longer needed, ensuring a clean presentation. Then, go over the main outlines with a slightly darker pencil to make the Audi RS6 and its damage stand out. Consider adding a few simple background elements, like a road or a distant wall, to give context. Take a step back and assess your work, making any final adjustments to achieve a powerful and impactful drawing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.